Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best solar panels available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Renogy 12-volt portable foldable solar panel. The Renogy folding 100-watt panel is made to resist the elements and is perfect for van life and charging RV or boat batteries. It comes in first place on our ranking because it is a reasonably priced, robust, and efficient panel. The panel, which is 40 inches long by 27 inches broad, when open, is incredibly effective, even on overcast or low light days. A corrosion-resistant aluminum stand and a tough protective case with powerful handles and latches are included with the unit. For the complete off-grid package, the Renogy panel can be ordered with or without the solar controller and in combination with a power station. It takes up slightly under 27 pounds of space. At number 2 is the Go Power GP-PSK 130 plus 130 watt solar panel. The Go Power GP-PSK 130 is one of the heaviest options available, weighing 28.66 pounds, but it's a fantastic fit for RVers who need a little more off-grid power to top off batteries, or if an RV park bills for electricity separately. The 130-watt panel produces an amazing 6.9 amps per hour and includes adapter cables to connect to a battery in addition to a built-in solar controller with a digital LCD to monitor input and transmission power. The self-standing panels are a perfect alternative to installation to the roof because they are simple to fold in half and fit into the provided case for easy storage. At number 3 on our list is the DOKIO 160 watts 18 volts portable solar panel. The DOKIO portable monocrystalline controller is a surprisingly cost-effective alternative for people looking for panels on a tight budget yet offering a remarkable 160 watts of electricity. The foldable panel must be placed in the sun by leaning it against a tent, automobile, or other stable surface. It is lightweight, just 9 pounds, and portable, no kickstand is included. Alligator clips and a solar controller are included if you're charging a battery rather than connecting the panels directly to most power sources. Despite being water resistant, the nylon shell shouldn't be left outside when not in use. Moving up at number 4 is the EcoFlow 110 watts portable solar panel. You should seek for a solar panel that is portable, strong, and has enough capacity to charge your camping essentials like cameras, portable speakers, lights, and other equipment. The 110 watt or 160 watt EcoFlow portable solar panel offers 2 different sizes and a high conversion efficiency of up to 22%. A carry case and MC4 cable connector are also included. The panel has an IP67 waterproof rating, making it more durable than many of its rivals if your camping vacation involves kayaking over lakes or rivers. It weighs about 14 pounds and is made up of 4 folding panels. At number 5 is the Goal Zero Boulder 100 Briefcase solar panel. Goal Zero began in 2007 by creating solar-powered items for underserved rural populations in Africa. The Goal Zero Boulder Briefcase is a well-liked, tough solution for keeping things going smoothly at base camp as the firm has grown to become one of the most recognizable names in sturdy solar equipment. The 2 folding 50-watt panels are constructed with a solid aluminum frame, reinforced edges, and tough tempered glass and can be tilted using the kickstand. With its straightforward design, it is simple to attach extra panels for even more charging or to integrate it with other stations, such as Goal Zero's Yeti line of chargers. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.